Yeah. So in your exercise 2.1, all your problems are converting roster form to roster to set builder or set builder to roster form. Roster form to set builder form to roster. As we have seen, so we can denote in two forms. If you want to denote the collection of stamps of Rakesh, which he has around thousand, so we can write all the 1,000 elements one after the other. That is roster form. Or set builder form, we can write. We already learned X is such that the stamp is released by the Indian government since 1947. So that's a well-defined statement. I put since 1947 because that's when we got independence. So it is like, okay, Rakesh didn't collect stamps during the what to say, when British was released. British India government, he didn't collect. That's the reason I put a 1947. So that's a way we have to put well-defined statement. We have to put. If we put like, okay, if we don't put the year, what will happen? Rakesh is like has a collection of stamps, all the things like, okay, British India, all the things even before Britishers. So our different sultanates ruled India. So it makes that kind of a statement. So that's the reason set builder form. The statement is very important. It should denote the well-defined statement only gives the set builder correct elements in the set. So in your exercise 2.1, it is more like a small examples like, okay, converting roster to set, builder to set. So for example, to say, let's take R. R. So this is my set, and 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. This is my set R. If I want to write it in a set builder notation, okay. So the same R, I can write it as the set of all, let's I'll take Y. Okay. So because people think that, okay, x, you have to write it in X only. No, we can write it in any way. The set of all Y is such that Y is divisible by 2. Okay. If I put only this statement, what will happen? So does it give the same this one? Yeah, 0 divisible by 2, 2 divisible by 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, good. What about 12? So R could be 12 also. In this case, if I want to convert this one, it will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and all the things. And sometimes even negative numbers also, people may think that, yeah, it is minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. People think like that also. To avoid the confusion, what I do, so Y is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 10. So we can also write, we can mix these two into one. If I write like this, I can mix these two into one statement. 0 less than Y less than or equal to. Because 0 also included. So I have to put this statement. So Y must be greater than or equal to 0, Y less than or equal to 10. So if I mix both the things into one, it will become like this: 0 less than or equal to Y less than or equal to 2. What I did, I just mixed this and this, because Y must be greater than or equal to 0. The value of Y is greater than or equal to 0. At the same time, Y less than or equal to 10. 10 below 10 only. So if I mix these two, I got this one. So finally, what kind of a statement I got? So if I write all the things, so Y is divisible by 2 and 0 less than or equal to Y less than or equal to 10. Now if you do this one, only at the 10 you have to stop it, because Y must be less than or equal to 10. So I can't write 12. So with this condition, I got only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's it. So if somebody, okay, some people say, I'll write it in a different way. So is this the only way to write? No, you can write it in a different way. I'll show you. I'll write y is an even number. Y is 0 or an even number less than or less than 12. Okay, this also makes sense. Y is a 0, or we can write positive even number, sorry, positive even number. Yeah, this is all well defined statement. Why I put positive? Because my negatives also, people think that okay, -2, -4 and all those things. To avoid well defining, I'm defining it in such a way that there is no doubts. So likewise I'm defining y is 0 or positive even number less than 12, less than, not less than or equal to, less than 12 only. So y is 0, good. Other even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, less than 12. So I have to stop it. I can write like this, I can write like this. If you have any other so the all you need is observe the relationship between these elements, how they are related to each other. So the moment I see this one, this became an even number, so I went with even number. Or y is divisible by 2, that is another thing I got observed. Whatever you observed, that is most important. That is the way you can convert roster to even number, roster to set builder form or set builder form to this one. All you need an observation, how these elements are related to each other. So we can write these kind of statements. Or else, okay, yeah, I want to write it in another way. So we learned it in y is divisible by 2 and this way, right? And y is a 0 or positive number. Okay, I'll try to write it in a different way. So I'll write the set of y such that for all y, such that y equal to 2k and 0 less than or equal to k less than or equal to 5. K is an integer. K belongs to n. Otherwise people think that okay, I'll take k 0.1 also. Yeah, 0.1 also greater than 0, less than 5. If I don't write this k belongs to n, people take every all fractions also. To avoid that one, I need to add one more statement called k belongs to n. In the n, there is no fractions, all integers only. So when k belongs to n and k less than 5, only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only will come. If I put k equal to 0, it becomes 0. Y equal to 2k, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this one also set builder form. So including this one too. This is another way of writing. You can write it in number of ways. So there is no one-to-one relationship. Okay, if I have roster form in this one, means I can write many statements. Many statements means many set builder forms. So I can write it like this, like this, like this, any ways I can do. So there is one to say you have to write it like this. No, there is no hard and fast rule like that. You can do it anywhere. So we have seen how to convert roster to set builder to roster. So if you write this one, y is divisible by 2 and by 0 less than or equal to, you can write all the elements of this thing in a roster form. Okay, thank you. So I hope you can do all the exercise 2.1. There are true false questions, matching questions, but idea is same, converting roster to set builder form, set builder form to roster. If you understand these concepts, you can complete the exercise 2.5 all by yourself. If you don't understand, then watch it again. Thank you.